Welcome back to the backwoods backyard. Today we're gonna fry up some chicken wings, Louisiana style, hot wings. All you're gonna need is some Louisiana hot sauce. Cut up your wings, put them in a Ziploc, use the whole bottle. Pour it all over your wings, shake them up, let them marinate for about 6 hours. At least 6 hours. You got them cut up, put them in your bag. At this point you can sprinkle some cayenne pepper on them. You want to get them hot. Just the Louisiana hot sauce is going to give them a lot of season, a lot of flavor. It won't be hot, but it's going to have a lot of flavor. All that in there. A lot of hot sauce. Pop that restrictor cap off. We don't want no restrictions. Talk to me. Mix it up. This is what you're looking for. You want to have enough juices in here where everything is covered. Marinate it all in, mix it in, massage it a little bit, put it in the refrigerator for at least 6 hours. Alright, we got the grease heated up to about 250. It's going to heat up there, so I throw that wet meat in there. It's going to rise up pretty quick. I want to try and keep it at about 300. And this is the whole trick, is to keep it at 300 for 20 minutes. It takes about 10 minutes to cook the meat, but to get the crispiness of the chicken right, that skin, just to get it real good. And like chicken crackling good, 20 minutes. Minutes, we'll be back. And we are done. Good and crispy.